Getting the green light. Understanding the phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, get the green light. Have you ever heard it before? If you're curious about what it means and how you can use it in your conversations, then you're in the right place. Let's explore this phrase together. When someone says they got the green light on something, it means they have received official approval or permission to start or continue a project, plan, or action. This phrase is often used in professional contexts, like in business or film production, but it can be applied to any situation where approval is needed from someone in authority. The origin of this phrase is quite literal, stemming from the green traffic light which signals drivers to go. Just like in traffic, getting the green light in any project means it's time to move forward. Now that you know what it means, let's see how you can use get the green light in sentences. We got the green light from our boss to start working on the new marketing strategy. The film director finally got the green light to begin production on her latest movie. After months of waiting, the construction company got the green light to proceed with the new building project. Remember, this phrase is quite versatile and can be used in various contexts where permission or approval is granted. Understanding synonyms can help you expand your vocabulary and express the same idea in different ways. Here are some phrases that convey a similar meaning. Receive approval, be given the go-ahead, get the thumbs up, have permission to proceed. Each of these can be used interchangeably with get the green light, depending on the context and formality of the situation. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, get the green light. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this interesting English expression for you. Remember, language is a tool for connection, and understanding phrases like this one can help you communicate more effectively and confidently. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.